Welcome to Patnitop, a serene hill station nestled in the stunning Pir Panjal range of Jammu and Kashmir. Known for its picturesque beauty, pleasant weather, and adventure opportunities, Patnitop is a must-visit destination for nature lovers and thrill-seekers alike. In this video, we'll take you through some of the most amazing places to visit, things you should carry, and some tips for a memorable trip to Patnitop. Patnitop is located at an altitude of 2,024 meters above sea level, offering a perfect getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or an adventurous escape, Patnitop has something for everyone. First on our list is the Naag Mandir, a beautiful ancient temple dedicated to the serpent god Naag. Surrounded by towering trees and a peaceful atmosphere, this place is not only a spiritual experience but also a perfect spot for a calm retreat. The temple is a favorite stop for those seeking tranquility in nature. Next, we have the Patnitop Meadows. Ideal for picnics, walks, and spending some quiet time amidst the lush greenery, these meadows offer incredible views of the mountains and valleys around. The natural beauty here is a photographer's dream. If you love sunsets, don't miss out on the Sunset Point. It's one of the best places in Patnitop to witness the sky-changing colors as the sun sets behind the towering hills. The mesmerizing view will leave you awestruck every time. Patnitop is also known for adventure sports. For the adrenaline junkies, paragliding is a must-try activity. You can soar high above the hill station and take in the breathtaking views. If you prefer something on land, there are numerous trekking trails that lead you through dense forests, offering a chance to connect with nature like never before. While Patnitop is a beautiful place to visit year-round, being prepared is key to enjoying your trip to the fullest. Here are some essential things you should carry when you visit Patnitop. First, don't forget to pack warm clothes, even in summer. The weather can be unpredictable, and temperatures can drop in the evenings, especially in higher altitudes. Even though Patnitop has a cool climate, the sun can be quite harsh at times, so make sure to pack sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat to protect yourself. If you're planning to trek or explore the meadows, sturdy trekking shoes are a must. A small backpack will also come in handy for carrying your water, snacks, and camera. Don't forget a basic first aid kit. It's always good to be prepared for any minor injuries or health issues, especially when you're exploring remote areas. As network connectivity can be spotty in certain areas, a power bank will ensure your devices stay charged for emergencies or to capture those beautiful moments. Patnitop is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on what you're looking for. If you love snowfall and winter activities, plan your visit between December and February. For those who prefer pleasant weather and lush green landscapes, the months of March to June are perfect. The monsoon season from July to September brings a unique charm, but it also brings a risk of landslides, so travel with caution. Patnitop offers a range of accommodation options, from budget hotels to more luxurious resorts. There are also guest houses and cottages with a homey vibe, perfect for those seeking peace and solitude in the lap of nature. Make sure to book your stay in advance, especially during the peak tourist season. No trip to Patnitop is complete without trying some local cuisine. Indulge in traditional Kashmiri dishes like Rogan Josh, Dum Aloo, and the famous Kawa tea. And don't forget to visit the local markets, where you can find hand-woven shawls, carpets, and beautiful handicrafts to take back as souvenirs. The vibrant local markets offer a wide array of handcrafted items, perfect for souvenirs or gifts. So, make sure to take home a piece of Patnitop's charm. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips to ensure a smooth trip. Carry a light but sturdy bag, especially if you're trekking. Stay hydrated, especially while exploring the trails or engaging in adventure sports. Follow all safety guidelines, especially when engaging in outdoor activities. Respect the local culture and be mindful of your environmental impact. Leave no trace. Patnitop is a place that captures the essence of Jammu and Kashmir's natural beauty. Whether you're exploring its lush meadows, seeking adventure, or simply relaxing with breathtaking views, Patnitop offers an experience like no other. Plan your visit today and let this peaceful hill station leave you with unforgettable memories. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and recommendations. Until next time,